These nursery rhyme videos are generating millions of dollars and pulling in billions of views. 8.9 billion views, 7.4 billion views, 4.8 billion views. And it doesn't stop there. This channel has video after video crossing the 1 billion view mark, attracting massive audiences from around the world. The channel is called CoComelon Nursery Rhymes. They've uploaded only around 2,000 videos, yet they've built an audience of over 200 million subscribers and accumulated more than 222 billion total views. And here's what's even crazier. This video was uploaded just 23 hours ago and has already generated over 455,000 views. Based on estimated earnings, this channel is generating anywhere from $2.6 million to $7.2 million per month, and approximately $37 million to $103 million per year. Crazy, right? But here's the shocking part. The concept is actually simple. The workflow is simple. And today, with the power of AI, creating this type of content is easier than ever. In fact, take a look at this video I created using the same approach.
Let's go on the bus ride. All aboard. The wheels on the big red bus go round, round and round through the happy town. Over the hills and down the track, rolling forward and rolling back, spinning, spinning all day long, singing their happy rolling song.
The doors open and close, waving hands to say hello as we go down the road.
Waving to their friends in the busy town. Chatter, 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 hear them speak. The wipers on the window go swish, 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 sweeping the raindrops as fast as they wish. Swish, 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 they clean the paint.
Pretty unbelievable, right? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these kinds of videos step by step using 100% free AI tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your channel. The first thing you need to do is take a screenshot of the CoComelon channel logo and banner. Once you have the screenshot, upload it to ChatGPT and type, "I want to copy this channel. Please provide me a channel name and provide prompts to generate a logo and banner." Then hit generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you multiple channel name ideas. Choose the one you like the most, paste it back into the same chat, and ask ChatGPT to generate branding prompts for that channel. Boom! Your logo prompt and banner prompt are ready. Now copy the logo prompt and head over to Gemini. Select Create Image, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Just like that, your channel logo is ready. Next, copy the banner prompt, paste it into Gemini, and generate it as well. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you've created a complete YouTube brand with a professional logo and banner without hiring a designer or spending a single dollar. Step 2. Idea generation. Go to the CoComelon channel and open its most viewed video. Copy the video link. Next, search for any website that can generate YouTube transcripts. Paste the video link and hit enter. Within seconds, you'll get the complete nursery rhyme transcript. Copy the entire transcript and paste it into ChatGPT. Now open the prompt file provided in the description. Copy the scene generation prompt and paste it above the transcript. Hit enter. Boom! ChatGPT will transform the nursery rhyme into a complete production plan, providing detailed image generation prompts and animation prompts for every scene in the video. At this point, your entire video has already been mapped out scene by scene. Step 3. Image generation. There are two ways to create the video. The first method is generating images first and then animating them. The second method is generating everything in one step. Let's start with the image first method. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 and go to Gemini. Paste the prompt, select Create Image, and hit Generate. Boom! Your first scene image is ready. Now copy the prompt for scene 2, paste it into Gemini, and generate it. Boom! Scene 2 is ready as well. One of the best parts about this workflow is that Gemini maintains character consistency across scenes, helping your video look much more professional. Continue repeating the same process for every scene until you've generated all the images needed for your nursery rhyme video. Once every image is ready, it's time to bring them to life. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, and it is appreciated. Step 4. Animate the images. Open Flow and create a new project. Set the video aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose frames and set the number of videos to 1. Before generating animations, you'll notice that some images may contain watermarks. To remove them, open the image, click Edit, select Remove, and erase the watermark from the image. Once that's done, upload your first image. Copy the animation prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. Within seconds, your first animated clip is ready. For scene 2, upload the second and third images. Place one image at the beginning frame and the other at the ending frame. Then copy the animation prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. Boom! Animated clip is ready. Continue following the exact same process for the remaining scenes until every image has been transformed into a smooth animated video clip. At this point, you'll have all the visual assets needed to assemble your final nursery rhyme video. In the next step, we'll generate the music and put everything together into a complete upload-ready video. Step 5. Alternative video generation. Now, if you want an even faster workflow, there's a second method. Instead of generating images and animating them separately, simply copy the lyrics, the image generation prompts, and the animation prompts all together. Then head over to Flow, paste everything into a single project, and hit Generate. That's it. Within seconds, Flow will create a complete video clip for you, including the visuals and matching lyrics. This method can save a huge amount of time and is perfect if you want to create videos as quickly as possible. Choose whichever workflow works best for you. The image first method gives you more control, while the all-in-one method helps you generate content much faster. Step 6. Generate the nursery rhyme song. Now it's time to create the most important part of the video, the music. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Provide the lyrics only." Hit Generate. ChatGPT will instantly extract and provide the complete nursery rhyme lyrics without any extra text. Copy the lyrics and head over to 11 Labs. Click on Music, paste the lyrics, and hit Generate. When the options appear, select Use Suggestions. Within moments, 11 Labs will generate a complete nursery rhyme song based on your lyrics and download the final audio file. Just like that, your soundtrack is ready. Step 7. Combine everything. Now for the final step, putting everything together. Open your video editor and drag all of your generated clips onto the timeline. Arrange them in the correct order so the story flows naturally from beginning to end. Next, import the nursery rhyme song you generated in 11 Labs and place it underneath the video clips. Adjust the timing, trim any unnecessary sections, and make sure the visuals match the lyrics and music perfectly. Take a few minutes to review the entire video and make any final adjustments. Once everything looks smooth, polished, and ready to go, click Export and render your final video. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a complete nursery rhyme video using 100% free AI tools, from channel creation and branding to script generation, video creation, music production, and final editing. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.